Japanese beef, also known as Wagyu, has long been the epitome of fine dining. You may have heard of Matsusaka, Omi, and Kobe beef, but now there is a new champion in town, Oita Wagyu. Brought to you from the verdant pastures of Oita Prefecture in southwestern Japan. With bountiful nature, fertile fields, and an agreeable climate, Oita has a long 100-year history of raising the exceptional Bungo cattle, one of the top Wagyu breeds in Japan. Oita proved the quality of its cattle by winning the Prime Minister's Award in 2017 at the 11th National Competitive Wagyu Exhibition, also known as the Wagyu Olympics. Launched in 2018, Oita Wagyu is the premium brand originating from Bungo cattle. Exceptionally flavorful, Oita Wagyu boasts quality grades of 4 and 5 exclusively, the highest possible grades in Wagyu ranking. Breeders raise calves for the first 9 months of their lives. These young cattle then travel to livestock markets, where they are selected by ranchers who nurture them for another 20 months, under the highest standards of care.
日本では一頭一頭大事に育てるようにしてまして、一頭あたりの床面積や換気扇の設置などをして大事に飼うようにしています。配合飼料の中にはふすま、トウモロコシアッペ、大麦、飼料米、あともみ殻が入ってます。大事にしてることは話しかけることですね。毎日なるべく牛のそばに行くようにして声かけはしています。
Oita Wagyu is processed by the Oita Prefectural Livestock Company at a centralized facility that has acquired HACCP and ISO 22000 certification and is thorough in implementing strict hygiene standards. The reputation of Oita Wagyu is on the rise at high-end restaurants in Japan and abroad. Oita Wagyu is now exported to many countries and regions, including Taiwan, Hong Kong, Thailand, Macau, and the United States, where it is enjoyed by all with elite tastes. Oita Wagyu is defined by beautiful marbling, a rich flavor, and an exceptional tenderness that melts in your mouth. We invite you to experience this premium beef for yourself and to join us in bringing the quality of Oita Wagyu to the dining table of your loved ones.